Alright guys, so I cannot actually show you now while I'm doing it because I need both hands and I don't have anybody to record me, but you can take this out by sliding the headliner out. So once you have all these plastics unscrewed, you have to make sure the screws are out. These ones you can go ahead and remove the seat belt, but the way I'm doing it, I'm just I undid the top screw and I'm just sliding everything out. So it's going, and here, as you can see me with one hand, yeah, you guys can see how it's going. Maybe just check while you get it through these plastics. You can check, but so far so good. It slides out pretty easily. It's not too bad. Let's see. Okay, so it's pretty much out. See? So I guess this is how you remove a headliner on pretty much any SUV. And now we can see how bad the roof is. So yeah, there's some rust coming through. So I'll take care of that and make it brand new again.